at Campbell's are proud to present Beehive Cottage, a 3-bedroom detached property that's filled with charm and character. A real gem tucked away in the highly sought-after village of Crick. Once a traditional 2-up, 2-down built in 1870, this cottage has seen a huge transformation, with a couple of extensions and an addition of an adjacent barn, turning this once little cottage into a spacious home. The enclosed rear garden is a haven. This garden gets plenty of sunlight, and at the centre stands your very own piece of history, a majestic ancient mature apple tree. This garden also includes a decking area and is the perfect place for yoga and taking in that early morning sunshine. This garden truly is a place of peace and tranquility. Located in the heart of the village, Beehive Cottage is only a short walk from all local amenities, including a village shop, post office, a local deli and cafe, and 3 local pubs to choose from. Beehive Cottage boasts an abundance of charming and quirky character features, including slate flooring, an inglenook wood-burning stove, and the thought-to-be original staircase, and a unique wooden bridge on the upper floor, to name a few. This property offers 2 ground floor reception rooms that can be adapted to suit your lifestyle. Whether you need a home office, a separate living room, or a playroom, the options are endless. This space could also be used as a 4th bedroom, giving you more room for your friends and family. The ground floor hallway offers ample storage, and there's a handy downstairs WC as well. Farm-style kitchen and diner is perfect for entertaining and includes many original features, as well as Velux windows that let in plenty of natural light. The main lounge is both cosy and spacious, with a log burner and French doors that lead to your beautiful garden. This is a fantastic space to relax with the family, especially on those cold winter days in front of the fire as you look out over your winter wonderland. These stairs lead to the bright and airy main bedroom, with full-height windows that flood the room with natural light. The hand-built fitted wardrobes enhance the space, as well as the newly replaced contemporary ensuite. Across the upstairs landing, you have a spacious bathroom, and then across the unique bridge, you have the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms, one of which is currently being used as an office. These bedrooms can be accessed by a 2nd set of stairs. A great design for families with older children, multi-generational living, and guests. served by an excellent road network, being located within a few miles of the M1, M6 and A14. There are close train stations as either Long Buckby or Rugby, which offer first-rate rail links to both London and Birmingham. The seller has written a beautiful statement about their time at Beehive Cottage, which you can read in full in the description. She would like to highlight that Beehive Cottage is a very special place. They bought the cottage back in 2007. We'd been looking for an interesting property in a Northamptonshire village for some time. Characterful village houses in great condition don't come up very often, so we were thrilled when the property came on the market. They soon discovered that many other Crick families had lived in Beehive Cottage at some point or another. This house holds many precious memories. I love the way the old building and the more recent extensions blend together seamlessly. The house is a joy to live in. I will be very sad to leave this beautiful and characterful home. But the time has come for a new family to take custody of it, to shape its future and to make new memories. So, if you have fallen in love with this stunning and unique property, then please contact the Campbell's team today.